All right, well, guys, if you see a phone number up above me right here, that means that Bulletproof Handyman LLC finally has a phone number, and y'all can text me on it. I'm also going to be putting it on my Google business profile, but this number right here, this is a business phone number that I've gotten through Quo. Quo lives on your phone. It's a VoIP business phone. It's an app that you install on your personal phone, and that is now. So now I have a Quo number for founders and fathers, and now I also have a Quo number for Bulletproof Handyman. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you guys text me on this number. Please keep them free of like a whole bunch of piddly personal stuff. Make sure it's handyman focused. Make sure it's a serious and specific question that I can answer, as opposed to something like, hey, got any advice for a new guy? But if you have specific questions, y'all can now text me at this number. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you through the process of getting a business phone line set up through Quo. So what I've done here is I have already copied the link into my clipboard, so I can just plug it in there and hit enter. I'm also going to put it in a card right above one of these two sides. I don't know which side, but there should be a card pop down right there that you can click on to go to Quo, or you can go to the description of this video or any of my videos and click on the link in the description. So I have my own landing page. Welcome, Bulletproof Handyman community. Let's go ahead and click try for free. So it says, redeem your 𝐥𝐸 Sons offer. That should say Bulletproof Handyman. I don't know why they have 𝐥𝐸 Sons in there, but let's go ahead and continue with email. And which email are we going to use? Let's use duke@bulletproofhandyman.com. Continue. Enter the code. Enter the 6-digit code we just sent. All right, so 583876. Next, enter your full name. Ray Duke. Continue. Welcome, Ray. For business or personal use, we're going to say for business use, business name, Bulletproof Handyman, LLC. Business size, 2 to 5 people. Who will use Quo? Just me. Business website, bulletproofhandyman.com. How did you hear about us? I am, let's say, influencer or creator. I heard about you through me. Industry, call it, no, I'm not in construction. That's not what Bulletproof Handyman is. Let's call it education. Why do you need Quo? How about customer support? Yeah, I'm going to call it customer support. Continue. Mobile number. Get code. Check the verification code. 1580. There we go. Verify. Say hello to your new number. Check it out, your very own Quo number. Continue. Start your free trial. So we've got the starter plan, the business plan, or the scale plan. What's the difference? I don't think I need any of that. We're just going to go with the starter plan. We're going to go ahead and use my business debit card. Yep, use this card. Confirm it's you. There we go. Next. All right, it seems like that's everything. Start your free 7-day trial. Cool. Add a password. There we go. Password must be at least 10 characters long. All right, how about that and that? There we go. Save password and finish. Yeah, we'll go ahead and save. Boom. Primary. Next. Manage calls and texts together. Let's make sure you never lose a customer to voicemail. Use Sona or use voicemail, I guess. Make the most of every call. Call recording, transcripts, contact suggestions, call tags. That all seems fine. All right, inbox cleared. Port existing number. No, don't need to port any existing numbers. So we've built this now. So far, we have the number set up. However, because we're a business and we want to be able to text, we have to take a couple extra steps. So we're going to come to settings. And under settings, we're going to go down to Trust Center. And under Trust Center, what you're going to see is that you need to upgrade to a paid plan before you can register your numbers, because register your local numbers to send text messages to US numbers. So we have to be on a paid plan. This is because it costs them money to actually send you through this 10 DLC thing. So let's go ahead and switch to paid plan just like that. Easy money. We already got all this set up. Confirm and pay. And are we paid now? Your trial period has ended. All right, let's go back to settings and Trust Center. And look, now we can register. So register now. How are you using Quo for business? Do you have a business tax ID number? Yes, I do. Registered business in the US, Canada, or abroad. Register now. Select registration type. We're going to use an EIN, and my EIN I have written down right over here somewhere. So my EIN. There we go. Next. Business details from your tax documents. Legal business name. Bulletproof Handyman LLC. Business address. Now, this is my registered agent address, not my personal address, so don't be thinking you have my personal address now all of a sudden. Next. Business type, limited liability, privately held, industry is education. Got my website in there, US and Canada, employee count 2, estimated daily call volume 10. Next, point of contact, Ray Duke, Duke at bulletproofhandyman.com. I am the owner / CEO, and my phone number is hidden from you because you can't see my real phone number, but that's why you're getting this phone number. Next, what will you use SMS messaging for? Customer support, appointment reminders, and order or service notifications. Correct. Next, forbidden message topics. You just need to know what these are. You're not allowed to do gambling, third-party lead generation, debt collection, financial services, etc. Just click to confirm that you read those. Next, confirm registration fees, $19.50 one-time fee to register. Yes, pay and submit. All right, brand registration is in review. Campaign registration is in review. Your stir shaken registration in review. Registration details. All right, so right now, as I'm recording this, I'm in review. However, by the time I publish this video, I'm going to publish the video when this is actually approved. In fact, this is crazy. As I was sitting here talking, I already have the brand registration approved. Who knows, maybe the campaign registration will just go through right away. But anyways, I'm not going to publish this until this is all approved, so that when this gets published, oh, look, we have a note. Campaign registration typically takes 3 to 5 days, but may extend up to 20 days during high submission volumes. We will notify you as soon as this is complete. Sweet. Okay, so it's going to take a while. So when this gets published, the number that you're seeing on this video at the beginning, I'm going to be adding that in when I edit. I'm not publishing this until everything's approved, but you've now watched me go through the approval process, and it's just simply a matter of time until it's approved. I'll publish the video. You guys can text me. Now, I'm just going to repeat this again. If you want to say, thanks for all the content, go for it. If you want to say, hey, Ray, I just got my first property manager today, go for it. If you want to just give me quick little updates, that's fine. Well, all I don't want you to do is I don't want you to use this as a way to try to just chit-chat back and forth with me. I don't even chit-chat with my best friend, Chris, and I've been knowing him for like 25 years now. But this is it, guys. And by the way, there is a big old cabin stay retreat event happening in Colorado the 25th through the 27th. Today is the 19th, the day that I'm filming this. It'll probably be published, I'm supposing, on the 21st, maybe the 22nd. So there won't be a lot of lead time, but just know if there is enough time for you and if you're in Colorado, we will be having a big cabin stay weekend retreat event in Colorado. You can go to bulletproofhandyman.com to sign up for it. Lodging is provided, meals are provided, and guess who paid for the whole thing? Quo, the same company that I just took you through right here. Quo is paying for this entire retreat. So sign up for it if you have the opportunity. More importantly, check out Quo. Just go look at their product. If it ain't for you, don't buy it. But if it is for you, do buy it. That's how you let them know that you appreciate their support of this channel. Otherwise, I love you guys. I hope you're out there killing it, and I'll see y'all on the next one.